Hello class. So we're gonna be reviewing back to our read aloud for I Am Every Good Thing. Okay, and then we are going to be creating our own anaphora today. Okay, so we're gonna be exploring kind of what we would want to see in our friendships, with our peers, with our classmates, with everyone around us. So first, I wanna define what an anaphora is. So an anaphora is when a word or phrase is repeated at the beginning of a sentence. And when this happens, this creates a stronger meaning. It leaves the readers with a greater impact, right? So we could see this on page 21 and 22, right? So this was when we see this, right? So we talked about what the color yellow means, right? What this voice signifies and how it reflects back to the passage. So I'm going to reread the passage, and I want you guys to point out where you guys see the anaphora, right? Where you guys see the repetition of words. So it says, I am a roaring flame of creativity. I am a lightning round of questions and a star-filled sky of solutions. I am an explorer, planting a flag on every square foot of this planet where I belong. I am a sponge soaking up information, knowledge, and wisdom. I want it all, and I am all ears. So now after we read this passage, I want you guys to point out where you guys see the anaphora. What repetition do you guys see? Yeah, right? So we see it right here. There's a I am, I am, I am, I am. And then lastly, I want. Okay, so that is a perfect example of an anaphora. And then this anaphora led us to know, right, that this is what this kid is, right? He has all of these positive characteristics. So now I've been saying the word characteristics a lot, but what is a characteristic? So characteristics are the qualities of something or someone. So going back to this page, we know that he is all of these characteristics. The anaphora let us know that. And by repeating it, we know it's true. And that is what he is. Okay. So now, for today's activity, I want you guys to kind of think about what you guys would like to see in, in your friendships. What are positive characteristics that we can find in them? What is something we want to see in our friendships? What type of characteristics you guys would want to see? So now, in creating a bubble map, we kind of want to plan out the type of qualities, right, that a friend could have. So here I have a bubble map, and it kind of points out the different characteristics or qualities that we would want a friend to have, right? So these are just some examples. So here I have their understanding, caring, nice, fun, funny, helpful, patient, supportive, friendly, and they like to try new things. So all of these are positive examples of friends, right? Things you'd want to see in a friend. So can you guys think of any other examples? Yeah, right? There's a lot of different things that we would want to see in friends. So now, I want you guys to pair up in groups, and in your seats, I want you guys to describe any different examples maybe that I didn't share. And I want you guys kind of brainstorm all of these different attributes, all of these different qualities that you guys would want to see in friends. How can they be seen? Doesn't have to be just one word. It could be something specific, an example that you guys had. You guys could even think back as to the friends that you guys have now. What do you guys like about them? What are good or nice things that they do that make you feel good? Okay? And then once we have that, I want you guys to kind of brainstorm. You could either write them down, create your own bubble map, something fun. And then I want you guys to create your own anaphora. So now we know what anaphora is, right? It's like a short passage, a short poem where the beginning of a phrase is repeated. So today we're going to be using I am, just like how we read, and I am every good thing. So knowing that, I want you guys to create your own I am poem. Doesn't have to be long. It could just be a couple sentences. But I do want you guys to really think about what you guys would want to see in a friendship. Okay, and then if you guys have any questions, you guys could always ask me. You guys could even look back on the book for other examples. We even see this in the beginning, where, you know, the repetition of your. Here we have your curiosity and creativity, your bravery and kindness, your sense of humor and fun, your ability to get up when you get knocked down, your way of helping others, right? That's a different form of an anaphora. Okay, and then once we have that, you guys will create your own anaphora. So I went ahead and I created my own, right? So I created my own of the things that make me that I think make me a good friend, a good peer, a good teacher, a good classmate. So here's my anaphora, right? So it's short. It's just 5 lines, and it says, I am kind, I am helpful, I am caring, I am generous, I am patient. So now, what makes this an anaphora, right? Just to give greater context. Yeah, right? The I am, and I am. And then you guys can even see here that I use some of the characteristics from the bubble map, right? That's okay, because these are all true. I am kind, I am helpful, caring, generous, and patient. Okay, so I want you guys to create your own anaphora, and once you guys are done, I want you guys to share it with your peers. So just in small groups of 2, I want you guys to share what I want you guys to share what you guys came up with. What are the positive things that you guys want to see in friendships? And I want you guys to learn from each other. You guys could even have a good conversation afterwards. You know, like, oh, I liked what you said. You know, we want to give positive feedback. We want to make sure we're all comfortable sharing, and that is going to be your guys' exit ticket for today. Just sharing your I am poem, your anaphora poem with a peer, just in small groups of 2.